Here is how you can create a search tool in Google Sheet similar to this. The first thing to do is to select all your dataset except the header all the way down to the very last one. Then you go Format, Conditional Formatting, and in here you're going to change this to Custom Formula Is and use this formula. Once that's done, click on Done and then go all the way up here, and in your search toolbox here, if you type Claire and hit enter, you can see that any student name that has a Claire in it get highlighted like that. But this technique doesn't work too well if there's partial match. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to delete Claire here, and let's say if I type T as in Theodore, I do see Theodore. It does not really highlight any of those names which is partially matched. So the way to get around this, you're going to have to change the formula on your conditional formatting. Now place your cursor anywhere on your dataset and you should see your old formula that you have here. Click on it to expand it. Let's delete the old formula and enter this new formula. After that, click on Done and you can see anything starting with T is already highlighted. Let's do another test. Put a C in here and hit enter. Any student name starting with C is highlighted.